Okay, here's the pocket. I've got it on the stitch line. It's upside down. These are the two open ends. This is the end with the stitching. We're going to stitch across the top, flip it up, and stitch across the bottom. It's now stitched across the bottom. Now we're going to stitch down the middle and anywhere else you want another pocket. And then I like to just baste along the edges here. Here are the pockets all finished. I added a line of stitching here and here for my glasses. I have a pocket here and a pocket here. I'm just going to trim up the sides and sew it like normal.